Hello everybody, my name is Thor Young, I'm a moderator with Bear Bull Traders, and this is Thor Trades. Welcome everyone to another edition of Thor Trades. Today I'm going to be going over a fun topic. I'm going to talk about using volume price analysis to help you manage your trades. Most specifically on this one, I'm going to be getting in on a pre-market trade on VXRT, which had a really strong vaccine catalyst today. They have a new candidate that's going for FDA approval, which is certainly helping them get a lot of attention today. Had a really big gap up pre-market, had really nice price action. So I'd really like to cover over that a little bit today. For everyone who doesn't know me, my name is Thor Young. Feel free to follow me on Twitter if you'd like to. That's at Thor Young. Or if you'd like to see more of the video content I've got going on here, go ahead and throw me a like. And if you're so inclined, feel free to subscribe to the channel. So going into VXRT, one thing I really liked about VXRT was the catalyst. Now these pharmaceutical stocks often are very poor to trade even on catalyst because their spread, their float is poor. So they get really bad price action and it's really difficult to mitigate your risk, especially as it moves into the higher price ranges. VXRT, however, has been a stock that's traded very high before when and it's come down since. So this stock has a pretty decent float to it already. Not great, but I mean over 70 million, which is reasonable. It's mid-float territory. So at 8 o'clock, or just after, VXRT had a really nice pop-up. It made it all the way up to around 12:30, 12:35, and then it threw some indecision there, and then it came back down. When it came back down, I was looking at it to see if this was just going to be a pullback or if it was going to pop up. Since we had the catalyst, I figured might be a good opportunity to get into one of these pre-market. One thing that I really liked, actually, which a lot of people would read backwards, is when it came up here and it pushed back up, it had this really high volume sell right down into this level. Now, to a lot, that reads as weakness, but for me, as I go back, I notice that every time this stock sells off, the candles are pretty strong and they have good solid volume. So this isn't really high volume. Rather, if you look back here, it's really more of just average volume. When you have a pullback on your stock, you're generically always going to want to have average to below average volume. You don't necessarily want resting volume per se, but average to below average. So having this stock, that volume being just in that category, didn't really startle me off too bad. So I went ahead and I took a long here with a loss of this level. I picked this level because it is the pivot off of this right here. I like how that held there, and then just below that is a daily level I actually pulled from a few months ago. So we come in here, and as you can see, I decided to go into this one. On this one, I just decided I was going to scalp it, so I just figured I'd make a quick $100, $150 on VXRT. So it came up here and it pushed, and I got a partial and a partial all out. So exactly the plan, everything worked out just great, so very happy about that. And then it actually rolled over shortly after and it came back down, but when it came down again, it had a nice solid sell-off right into that level, and then it closed on a hammer. So this time I was like, all right, you know what, I think this actually might have a little bit more upside to it. Every time it sells down hard, but it immediately hits this level and then gets bought up. So looks like something's going on here. So I went ahead and went long. My loss was going to be again the loss of my level. And you can see here it took a little while for it to consolidate, but eventually it threw a little narrow band doji here. And then it popped up here, and then I got a partial at this level again, and then more partials as it opened. When the stock opened, it was real fun because it had a nice straight breakup. I was able to get quick partials there and through. And then when it pulled back here, I went ahead and did a free roll ad. Now, we talk about the free roll hotkey that I use. Basically, what I did is I just double-click here. When I double-click here, it auto-fills the price that I'm looking to get into, average into. And then I hit my free roll key, and what that does is that's going to take my unrealized position and it's going to leverage as many shares as I can, just risking that unrealized position and then setting a new break-even order at my clicked level. It works really great for pullbacks like this. So it comes like that. I went ahead and free rolled in, got that, and got some really nice pops. And then notice right here at the top, and this is where we can use VPA to get out of a position. Right here at the top, we had this low volume narrow band that happened right at the top here, and then look what happened. We shot up here on pretty good volume and then pulled down and started to close in a shooting star. Saw this thing coming from a mile away, so I went ahead and went all out. You get a shooting star at the top of the trend. That means you're probably done, at least for a little while. And as you can see, VXRT has not come back since. So really happy with this out overall. So anyway, that's VXRT. That's hopefully a little explanation of how you can use some of the volume look to help you get into this. I want to remind everybody that Thor Trades is really kind of supposed to be about you all. So if you have topics that you want to cover, or if you have questions specifically about the trades that you'd like answered, please feel free to comment below, and I'll engage with you as much as I can. This is on the BBT channel, so normally after like a week or so comes by, it gets more difficult to go back in time. But for at least the first week or two after this video is posted, I will make as many comments as I can, and then I always go back and try to get to it when I can. So I hope everybody had a great week. It was a lot of fun. Had a fun class at BBT for VPA. I hope everybody has a great weekend, and as always, keep it green.